$1,000 plus high ticket commissions with AI. So today I will be doing a review of this one program called AI Cash Machines, which is an all-in-one step-by-step program that can help you start earning big commissions using the power of AI. And you do not even have to show your face. So let's dig in. Let's have a look what this is. Nella Fernandez from Fit-Preneur-Ship out here. So let's have a look. So firstly, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can also join my free community. I'll leave a link below and you can ask me questions out there. So let's get started. So if you do decide that this is for you and this is what would help you, I have quite a few bonuses which could help you even get traction better with this program. So let's have a look. If you click the link below, you'll be taken to this page, which is my bonus page, and it will tell you something about this product as well. And you can grab, if you click any of these orange buttons, you can get there. This is the AI Cash Machine by one of my mentors, Zach Crawford. And he's a really great guy, and that's why I like promoting his products. So basically, with this system, you can generate $1,000 plus commissions using the power of AI without having complicated funnels, ads, technical knowledge, or even showing your face. So what do you get when you join this AI Cash Machines today? You get the complete system, which is valued at actually $997. Actually, it is well worth more than this. If you put into practice, you can make these commissions very fast. Then it also has step-by-step training videos into each of these things. I'll show you the back end also. You can have a look at it. This is his personal campaign template. So basically, it's not mine, it's Zach's. Zach's templates also you have access to if you get this course. So what's working for him, you can definitely get. And he's a 7-figure marketer and he's an inspiration to quite a few guys. So also you get quite a few bonuses with it. You can check these out. It comes with a 180-day money back guarantee. So if you, for whatever reason, do not like this, you can always get your money back. So let's have a look what are the bonuses you'll be getting from my end. So if you do pick it up with the link below or these links here, if you click on these orange buttons, you'll get access to my private coaching group. So anytime you have any issues with how to get ahead with this program, or if you get stuck anywhere, you can ask me questions on that. Also, my social media commissions course valued at 7. I had over 60,000 followers on Instagram and I cracked this code. Okay, how to gain social media followers, and one-on-one sessions with me for the first 5 people who do pick this up. So altogether $694 plus $197 bonus. So let's have a look at the program. If you click on these links, you'll be taken to a page like this where you can actually pick up this product. It's just $27 as of this point. It could be going up shortly. Please have a look at it and jump on it, because this is a really insane offer at this price point. And like I said, this is well worth over $1,000 on its own. Okay, so you can go through this. You can see the various testimonials that Zach has been getting. So many people he has made successful with his programs, and I have also had $2,000 and $1,000 commissions using his programs. So his systems work. So have a look at this. You can have a look at the sales page, and if you just click on these orange buttons, it will take you to the place where you can make the payment of $27 and actually pick up this product for yourself. Okay, so I will have a look also and see what is at the back end of this product, what exactly you get for these $27 as such. Okay, so I've got quite a few of his programs. This is the AI Cash Machines here. If you click on this, this is what you'll be getting. So you start here, so you can see what all. So he runs you through the foundations of what is AI, how to start making your $1,000 day commissions, how to choose products to promote, how to promote his product if you want to. So the good part about Zach is, what I like about him is he does not tell you to promote only his products. You'll see many marketers who are just promoting their own products. So Zach is one person who does not mind whose product you promote as long as you are successful. So basically he's there to see that you are successful. A really great guy out there. So you can run through this, how to set up your landing page, and he runs you through exactly what else is to be done, how to use this one AI called Poppy. In case you do not want to use that, you can use other stuff also. How to master Instagram and get your reels viral. Also how to make faceless content, you can see here. How to train the algorithm to go in your favor, etc. And how to promote using these social media channels like Instagram, even TikTok if you want to. And how to use all of this to start gaining these commissions. So like I said, you do not have to be promoting Zach's products. If you want, you can get over $1,000 commissions promoting his products, but If you do not want that, you can also promote whichever products you want. This teaches you can see how many modules are here, how many training sessions are here. So a full concise list. So this is well worth over $1,000. You're getting it for just $27. If you do not like it, you have 180 days to return it in case you do not like it. So running you through my bonuses again, in case you do pick it up, you'll get access to my private coaching group, which is valued at $497. You'll also get my social media commissions course, as well as one-on-one sessions if you are within the first 5. So grab this. And if you're looking to learn AI from scratch, I've started a series step by step how to learn AI, how to understand AI, how to start making money with AI, how to do different stuff with AI. I've invested over $2,000 in learning all of these strategies, and I'll be teaching you these techniques in my series. So I'll leave a link to the series as well somewhere here, and have a look at them. AI cash machines, well worth it. $1,000 worth of value for less than $30. So it's just $27 as of now till the price increases. So grab it as soon as possible. And you have any comments or you have any questions, either leave it in the comments or join my free community, and you'll get your questions answered out there. So take care. I'll see you in my next videos.